Let's begin with some very basic exponent rules. If I have a to the m multiplied by a to the n, that's the same as doing a to the m plus n. You can only do that when you have what are called common bases. The next real common rule that we will be using is a to the m being raised to the nth power. When you raise something to a power, you multiply the exponents, so it becomes a to the m multiplied by n. So here's two examples. See how I have a common base of 4. 4 to the third times 4 to the fifth is the same as 4 to the 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, so it simplifies to 4 to the 8th. Let's take that same base of 4 and the exponents of 3 and 5. 4 to the third power, that term raised to the fifth power, is the same as 4 to the 3 times 5, or 4 to the 15th power. So let's take a slightly longer problem. 2 multiplied by x to the third multiplied by y to the fourth multiplied by the term 4x to the fifth y to the seventh. The coefficients, 2 and 4, you will simply multiply. The common bases of x, one is x to the third and one is x to the fifth. Based on the first rule I showed you, you will simply add their exponents. And with the y's, which are also common bases, the y to the fourth and the y to the seventh, you will add those exponents. That will give us 8x to the 8th, y to the 11th. That's our final answer. Now let's look at another problem where we raise one of the terms to a power. 2x cubed raised to the third power multiplied by 4x to the fourth. The first thing we need to do is simplify 2x to the third cubed. Well, in a sense, we're going to distribute that cube on the outside. So really what I need to do is take 2 and cube it, and the x to the third term, and cube it. Don't forget to bring down your 4x to the fourth for use in a little bit. 2 cubed means what's 2 times 2 times 2, or 8. And x to the third raised to the third power is the situation when we multiply, so it becomes x to the ninth. Again, remember to bring down your 4x to the fourth. Now multiply 8 and 4 to get 32. Add the 9 and the 4 because they're on the common base of x, and you get a final answer of 32x to the 13th.